In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log work and create timesheet reports in Jira. Logging work accurately can significantly enhance your project management efficiency, ensuring timely project delivery and effective resource allocation. So let's dive right in. Start by navigating to your Jira dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see the landing page that consolidates all the information you need at a glance. From this page, look for the section labeled For You, which essentially curates all the relevant details tailored to your workflow and projects. Now, find and click on the Worked On section. This area is particularly useful as it allows you to track the progress of tasks you've previously handled or are currently involved in. It presents an overview of ongoing and completed tasks, which is particularly beneficial when logging the time dedicated to each task in your timesheet. Next, you'll need to locate a task or project that you are currently working on or wish to log hours for. Sometimes your list of tasks might be extensive, so use the search or filter options to easily pinpoint the specific task you need. Once you've selected a task, look over to the right side of your screen and you'll find the time tracking pane. This feature is essential for accurately recording the effort you've put into various tasks. Click on it to open the detailed logging options. In the time tracking section that opens, you'll see fields where you can input the time you've spent working on the task. It's crucial to be precise here in order to maintain the accuracy of your logs and reports. Enter the duration of time you've worked on this task today in the time spent field. This log will help you and your managers keep track of how time is being utilized across the project lifecycle. Furthermore, estimate how much more time you think you'll need to complete the task. Input this figure into the time remaining section. This estimate is helpful for scheduling and resource allocation, allowing you to better plan future work. Finally, once you have entered all the necessary details, you'll want to ensure you save your entries. Look for the Save button and click it to record the time. After saving, it might be useful to review your entries to ensure there's no discrepancy. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your time logs in Jira. Doing this regularly not only simplifies creating timesheet reports, but also enhances your ability to meet deadlines and manage workloads. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your project management activities. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.